Hello, today I'm creating my first YouTube video in Blender, and we're going to just create a simple cube rotation. And so over here, let's go. Let's select Add, Mesh, Cube, and let's reduce its size. It comes by default 24 by 24 by 24 inches. So let's reduce its size by half of that. So press S to scale and enter 0.5. And you see it went down to 12, 12, and 12. Now let's apply the scale. See, the scale is 0.5 now. We apply the scale, goes back to scale 1 and 1. That's where you want it to be before you do any modifications to it. Okay, let's put some bevels on the edges. Go to edit mode. It's already in bevel mode. When you select bevel mode, the little yellow dot shows up. Zoom up a little bit. Select the yellow dot and drag it. Set the width of the bevel. Now if you leave this segment at 1, you'll get these flat edges. But if you want radiuses, add 9. Go back to object mode. Smooth the surface a little bit. You can right click, select auto smooth. Let's add a materials tab. Select the drop down arrow. Buff green to it. Now let's check the camera view. This is what it'll look like when you render the final image. So rotate it or zoom it in as much as you need to. And get out of camera mode. Let's add some rotation. Move the keyframe marker to the desired start location. Right click. Select insert keyframe with keying set. Select rotation. Move keyframe marker to the desired end rotation keyframe. Oops, don't gotta do that yet. I want to rotate it first. Press R. The Z-axis. Enter 360 degrees. Left click. Right click. Select insert keying frame with keying set. Select rotation. Now with the mouse in the window, keyframe window, press A. Select both icons. Right click. Highlight interpolation mode. Select linear. Move keyframe marker back to the first keyframe. Run the video.